Okay, welcome to a short video on what one bulk team can make you mining passively. And it's a little over $15,000 per month today, January the 20th. Each time you mine, you get 303 TUS. Okay? TUS is at 0.27 this afternoon. You get 3.75 CRA, which is a little over $1. And you mine every 4 hours. And if you connect with me in the Discord, I'll get you a script you can use if you want, so you don't have to click the button every 4 hours. So obviously 24 hours in a day, that's 6 times that you're mining, and the 6 times that you're mining are making you times 30 days in a month is making you over 15,000 per month with today's price. Now let me see here. I set this for 0.25, so this is slightly lower than the 0.275 where it was at. And you can just do the math yourself. It's not a big deal. With the bulk teams, you win 99% of the time, unless you get looted by a legendary. So the reason, and the reason I'm making this video is I'm breeding, but in mid-February I will switch a percentage of my farm away from breeding into mining. In order to make that residual income, and a few other reasons. And you've got to understand, I get asked, how could you buy an NFT for $8,900, $9,500? Because the NFT has utility. Listen, you don't need to spend the $9,000. You can buy a bulk that's already been bred 3 times for $5,118 right now. $5,118. You get 3 of those, you have a team. So that's 15 grand, and you made it back in a month. So I'm going to put, somebody else made this Excel sheet. It's free. It was given away in the Crabada Discord. I'll just post the link below, and you can read all about it. But this is the group that I fall in, 3 pure bulks. Okay? Income per day. The fiat USD cost, 16 grand. Break-even days, 34. And it was actually less than 30 earlier today, with the price was 0.27, or where it's at. And it's 175,000 a year. Okay, this is why this NFT is hot, because it has utility. And if you look at their tokenomics and you actually read their white paper, you're going to understand what's going on and how slow their release schedule is and how they're set up. And they have fixed every problem that Axie has. Okay? You don't have the mutant babies. You don't have the SLP slide. You've got utility. You've got passive income. And we haven't even come out with the main battle mode yet. And so NFTs are the wave of the future. You can play with this because if you can't afford the pre-bred bulks, and this is for someone who doesn't even want to breed, you're looking at making 15 grand a month. Break even in about 34 days or less right now. And hey, even if the TUS price goes down more, then you might break even in 40 days, 45 days, who cares? But it goes up and down because it's burnt every time it's bred, and it's burnt, and you have to buy into the TUS coin just to get any crabs at all. So that's why this Crabada has really, they have the best tokenomics. It's just amazing the way they've set it up. And so that's it. I just wanted to share this with you, and you can download that Excel sheet if you want it.